Yeah, man, I stood over there on systems. I get some thing together, some capacitor, you know. Fix a EQ and I work on also amps. Circuit board, I have short circuit and I just change out a few switch. Right. So this is a place where you can get your accessories based on repairing your appliance. You have a variety of stuff. Remember, you can come and check out. Different type of accessories, systems. Yeah, man, in Alpha Trim. All different type of accessories, speaker repairs, all them stuff, you know. Systems in Alpha Trim, I take the logo, showing them of our computer parts, keyboard, mouse, all them things, you know. You know, you can come check it out. Yeah, man, so there, get some parts together, you know, for do a repair of systems. So I don't know as I get through showing how I go on. Yeah, man. Place you have a variety of stuff, you can get everything for repair thing, you know, and then reasonable and affordable. Yeah, man. Right at the bank, beside across from the gas station, Scotia, down that little place there, right the side there. Yeah, man.
No, that's because $3,000. Are the same size? Yeah. No, I've never seen it. That's what I said. Longer? They look like that size. What size is that?
Yeah. You got the thing, right? I don't remember which one, but whoever. Yeah, man, guys. So we look close in the store, the right up there, so systems. Yeah, man, right there you can get the best electronics, all of them stuff there, you know. Yeah, man, right up there, so that is it. So we come back now. Open the plaza. Yeah. So we're still here. Yeah, man, right, I say you come and get the best appliance, you know where you go. Yeah, man.